Hey guys, my name is Shige at Glow International. Today, I'm gonna introduce you BGA stem cell serum. BGA stem cell serum is created for cell repairing of your skin. Human skin has to undergo of various bad changes as you age. There are many skincare products out there, but it must be hard to find products that could solve foundation of problems, since nutrients in the most of skincare products are too big in molecule to reach deep into your skin. However, since our specialization is fermentation, we have succeeded in fermenting abundant nutrients of BGA and have made impossible possible. There are three remarkable components infused. First, Malus Domestica fruit. This is a sort of apple cultivated in Switzerland. It had been popular as a long-period storage food without any chemicals when there was no fridge in mid-18th century. That it lasts 4 months without going rotten, and even its taste will still be there. So we have decided to add the component as natural preservative. Second, citrus genus fruit extract. This is a ceramide-like component extracted from the fruit of yuzu. It's expected to increase keratin water content, collagen production promotion, wrinkle reduction, rough skin improvement, hyaluronic acid production promotion. Third, hyaluronic acid. It has excellent moisturizing and penetrating properties and gives skin firmness and smoothness. Despite BGA consisted with those components itself is originally very effective for your skin. Our fermentation method makes its collagen productivity increase up to 1,456%. By increasing collagen, the skin radiance could be restored, wrinkles could be reduced, and lift-up effect are expected at the same time. This effect can be felt further by using with BGA Radiance Booster Essence in the same series. Let me summarize usage of the series. First, Radiant Booster Essence opens absorption door wide, repairing damaged skins and recreating brand new cells. And after your skin got reborn and ready to welcome nutrients essential to your skin, apply stem cell serum to maintain your skin condition. Thank you for watching the video today. Please contact me anytime if you have any questions. You can reach me by phone, by email, WhatsApp, WeChat, Line, whichever you're comfortable with. So I hope to see you soon. Bye!